So we have the volume of a sphere is increasing at a constant rate of 5,741 cubic inches per minute. The volume is 1,770 cubic inches. We want to find the rate of the change of the surface area of the sphere. So we're given the volume and surface area formulas, and we want to round to 3 decimal places. First, let's look at the volume. The volume is given to us as 1,770. So we're going to plug it into the formula V equals 4/3 pi r cubed to get what r is. So we're going to multiply both sides by 3 and then divide by 4 pi and then cube root to get r. And so r here is in terms of centimeters. So technically we should put centimeters after that. Okay, now let's look at the derivative because we did use this information. Now let's use the 5,741, which is the derivative of the volume with respect to time. So take the derivative of both sides. This exponent 3 is going to come out in front and cancel out with the 3. And so we have 4 pi r squared, and then take the derivative of r. That's the dr over dt. We're going to substitute 5,741 in for dv over dt. And then r comes from the previous slide. So it's always good to leave it in the exact form and then round at the end. So the purpose of all this is to get what dr over dt is. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides by 4 pi and whatever's in the parentheses squared. And if you want, you can round it to 8.113 inches per minute. Okay, now we can finally find the derivative of the surface area. But first, let's look at the surface area. We're given it to us as 4 pi r squared. So the derivative is 8 pi r dr over dt. Good thing is we did solve for r and dr over dt. So replace those. We're going to simplify. So first notice 8 pi over 4 pi is 2. And then whatever's in the root is the same. This is cube root. This is to the 2/3 power. So this is going to go away, and this is going to go away. So that leaves us with 2 times 5,741, which is 11,482. And that is over the cube root. And here you just plug it in the calculator, and you would get 1,530.11. And because it's surface area, it's inches squared per minute, they wanted us to round it to 3 decimal places. Well, the third decimal would have been 0. So as is fine.